Hey, what's up guys? I just want to give you a little update on the Mustang, let you guys see where I'm at with it right now. Went ahead, made some pretty big changes. Alright, so some of the changes you guys will notice right off the back, you see I've got the front bumper off of it here. Like, what is this guy doing? Got some of the intake and stuff taken off, and this is what I'm doing right here, guys. I am doing a Procharger P1SC. I bought a used kit. The head unit has about 3,000 miles on it, and all the other parts that came with the kit are brand new in the package. You know, I was looking at this same kit, buying it new. I got a pretty good deal on it, so I bought this used kit. What I'm gonna have to do is clock the compressor housing with the flute, or whatever you call this part right here where the air actually comes out. I'm gonna have to clock that in the downward position. I've got this mount all mounted up to the motor already. Haven't mounted the intercooler yet. I'll show you guys what I'm doing with the intercooler, but I am waiting on a bolt for this bracket, and then I should be able to wrap this thing up pretty quickly. So like I said, all the other parts were brand new in the package. I've got them all here, all the intercooler piping, the blow-off valve, the overflow tank for the radiator, and this right here. This is the intercooler. I did some upgrades to the intercooler. Specifically what I did was I put this plate on here. It's a block-off plate. This is usually where the mass airflow sensor would go on this kit, but what I did was I bought the block-off plate from Procharger, and the block-off plate didn't fit for crap. Like, you would literally have a huge boost leak right there. So what I did, you know, I'm a excellent welder. So what I did was I welded this beast up. All right, I don't know if you guys have ever seen this awesome product. You know, see, I stacked some beads on here, you know, looking pretty fresh. But overall goal, and the reason why I put that block-off plate on there, is my tuner, Lund Racing, said to put the block-off plate for the mass airflow on the intercooler, and buy the updated charge pipe from Procharger, which puts the mass airflow sensor in the charge pipe. So here's the new pipe. I'll get it unwrapped. Here's the updated charge pipe from Procharger. As you see, it's got the slot here for the mass airflow sensor in the charge pipe instead of in the intercooler. The reason I went with this one is Lund Racing said to get this updated charge pipe because it's easier for them to tune, and number two, it has way better drivability, and that's, you know, probably why Procharger made it, because they were hearing from different tuners and they're like, well, you know, everybody's having an issue tuning with the mass airflow in the intercooler, so let's put it in the charge pipe. You get a more accurate reading. So that's what they did. They sell this pipe. You can call Procharger directly. You don't have to work with a vendor or anything like that. Kind of haggle with them on the price. They can kind of work on the price. But overall, I had to order a couple other things from Procharger, and I'm just waiting on them to get in here so I can get this project all wrapped up, get on the street, make some power. It's going to be tuned by Lund Racing, and should be pretty quick for a stock motor car. Alright guys, that's all I got for you today. Hopefully you're liking the videos. If you have any questions on anything, just let me know. Make sure that you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.